Hi, I'm Ben Tennyson. Let's learn about arithmetic operations in JavaScript. In this program, we represent operator plus sign as addition, minus sign as subtraction, asterisk sign as multiplication, slash sign as division. These are four basic operators. Now, next four operators. Double asterisk as exponentation, percent sign as modulus or remainder, double plus sign as increment, and double minus sign as decrement. So we have 8 total operators in this program. Let's begin with addition. This helps you to make a sum. Take variable x equals a plus b. For example, take a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 8 when you are working on script. Let's run the output. The answer gives you 13 by the operator plus. Next, if you subtract, say, a minus b. Now to keep the values same as per the case. The output shows you minus 3 using subtraction operator. For the third case, let's use multiplication operator using asterisk sign, say, a multiplied by b. That is 5 multiplied by 8. The output shows you 40, that is multiplication. Fourth case, division, you might need to determine the limit up to how many decimals. If you wish to use 3 decimals, you may round up to 3 decimals, like Greek letter pi equals 3.1416 as an example. Round off to get 3.142. Now, back at this case, 5 divided by 8. The output shows you 0.625, up to 3 decimals. Well, whatever. Next, using modulus operator, as a percent sign shows the division remainder. Let's interchange these values 5 and 8. You might need to show the remainder, such as 8 divided by 5. The remainder is displayed 3 on the preview output, without getting decimals on the quotient value. Sixth case so far, incrementation, using double plus sign. We write a plus plus instead of a plus b. Now variable x equals a. This adds by 1 to get 9 on the output. You cannot add another plus here, this cannot be considered as triple plus, or you'll get an error in the program. Seventh case, decrementation, using double minus operator. We rather write a minus minus instead of a minus b, as similar to addition. This will subtract by 1 to get an output 7. And last but not least, here's 8th case. Double asterisk operator, exponentation. Let us write x equals a with double asterisk 2, where a is equal to 8. We can say 8 to the second exponent. This shows you the output 64. The same way you will use math.power a and b to get the same output. So we now covered up 8 cases of arithmetic operators. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe now and thanks for watching.